Over the past couple of years, we've all become very familiar with online interaction. Whether it's remote learning, gaming online, or FaceTime with a friend, connecting online has never been easier or more important. Even though we're able to see more of each other face to face again, there are still lots of times where it can come in handy for you. For times when we're away from campus, have little spare time, or don't feel like socialising in person, we can still engage with the people around us online. Here's a few things you might find useful while at UEA. In student services, we run a wide range of wellbeing workshops, including topics like managing stress, overcoming social anxiety, study planning, as well as many more, all of which you can engage with online. Running our sessions online has proved hugely popular and has made workshops more accessible for many students. Online sessions also mean you can attend while at home, on placement, or even if you're out of the country. All UEA students can access any of our workshops for free and simply need to email us at sts.workshops@uea.ac.uk to book a place. We also run a number of online support groups which offer a regular chance to meet like-minded individuals and gain peer support in a relaxed environment. We currently have 3 active support groups: the Autism Spectrum Group, Complex Bereavement Group, and the Long-Term Conditions Group. For more information about any of our workshops or group sessions, check out the Wellbeing Workshops page on the MyUEA portal linked below. If you're looking for something a little more fun, you can also get involved with Take 5. Take 5 is a student-led online wellbeing initiative where you can join the Discord server to play games, chat to one another, and benefit from a friendly and supportive environment. If you want to find out more, why not check out our podcast episode on relaxation, where we spoke to Chris and Molly from Take 5. The link for this episode is also in the description below. While connecting online can be a fantastic way to communicate and socialise with others, it can potentially become problematic if it's the only way that we're engaging with the people around us. All of us should try to ensure that we're benefiting from any of the other face-to-face ways of connecting that I've described in the earlier videos in this series. If you want to connect with others but feel unable to do so, or have been finding this difficult, you can reach out for support by speaking to the Residential Life Team or Buddy SU, both who can help bridge that gap. Remember, it's very common to feel anxious or lonely, especially when starting university. You are not alone if you feel this way. But connecting with those around us is one of the best ways to counteract these feelings. Thanks for watching. See you soon.